Welcome to Churchill Park in Lautoka. Fijian Drua versus the Blues from New Zealand. We have another bumper crowd building up, a great atmosphere as well. Can the Drua pull off another upset win in Lautoka in the heat today? Well, they'll have to be at their best to beat a red-hot Blues team, or fifth on the table, 4 places above the Drua. Dari goes to ground. No arms in the tackle from the number 8, Whanakai Vata. Pick and go. Still a penalty advantage as they get to the 5-metre line. The best opportunity so far. And then Sawani Vakena leaves it behind.
One here or slightly further back.
So 389 points in his Super Rugby career. He can add another 3 to that. Fussy with a good carry. Christie getting it to Barrett. No way through there. Pick and go to Leah, wanting to get involved. Shrugged off one, then got it back to Christie. And Sullivan. And Ioane over! Try to the Blues. Some slick work inside the Drua 22. And the first 5-pointer goes to Rico Ioane, and that breaks a drought of about 6 matches without scoring a try. So he's on the score sheet at Lautoka. Again, looking to try and force a penalty, and again, they get the result they were looking for. Out the back to Christie and Barrett. Sullivan up from fullback, who's really been impressive. Intercepted by Munda, but again, the penalty's going to come back to the spot, to the scrum. Got the distance. What's the direction like? It's good. It's over. Picked up by Akalavari. Bounced down to 1. Still going. Got the legs pumping up to the 5-metre mark. Crowd starts to come into the game again now. Wide ball. And Whanakai Vata is over. Elliot Whanakai Vata. Third try for the season. Listen to the crowd now. And that one is over from Lautoka. So 13 points to 7. The Blues over the Drua. Advantage is over. Plummer head down. Charge through the gap. Pick and go here. Swire still going, the big man, and he crashes over. What a try. Isn't he happy as well, Cameron Swire? And that is certainly going to keep the crowd a little quiet just before the break as well. Second try for the Blues. And the conversion is good.
Conversion is successful.
Caleb Clark straight into a touch, and as the referee just explained, there is a hooter. It is half time at Churchill Park in Lautoka.
At the end of the first half.
Here come the Blues. Wanga Fussy can't find the chalk. And they're over the line, and it is a try. Try to the Blues. Well, the first opportunity deep inside Drua's territory in this second half, and the captain, Dalton Papali'i, gets the 5-pointers right beside the post. So what a start to the second half. They had to defend initially, but then back-to-back penalties, and they got themselves into that red zone. He's got a double, and didn't the Drua need that one?
That's a great starter play off the line out. Celestino Rabutamanda, nice and direct, coming back against the grain. In front of Kaivata, just getting over that try line, the big man.
Bellatini, and this one is on target. Knock, wide ball, and Sullivan, oh, he's knocked it on, but no, it's a penalty as well. He was playing advantage. Low trajectory, but it was enough.
What a dirty even, you can do it, mate. You're fucking tough. Let's go, Isaac.
Look at Tally. Here's Vota. The crowd starts to roar. Lautoka. Vota, who started it. Inside ball! Fijian Drua at their very best. But we're going to come all the way back to the 22.
It looked pretty. It's definitely one for the highlights, Phil. I always say you need to keep scoring those tries no matter if the referee blows it back, because it looks good on the reels for Insta or YouTube. It.
Valentini, Volta over the top, and in a touch.
Two hands down for the ball. It's not a direct knock on. That's the game.
It's a knock on, and that is it. Full time at Churchill Park in Lautoka. It was 30 points to 14. No bonus point. It was 3 tries to 2. The job done to Dalton Papali'i and also the Blues from New Zealand.